If you're diving into electronics or learning how to analyze signals, a reliable yet affordable oscilloscope is essential. In this video, we'll review the top 5 budget oscilloscopes perfect for beginners. Starting off with the FNIRSI IDSO152. This compact handheld oscilloscope is a fantastic entry point for those who are just starting their electronics journey. With a 200 kHz bandwidth and 2.5 megasamples per second sampling rate, it's well suited for low-frequency signal testing, such as audio projects, Arduino debugging, or other microcontroller-based work. Despite its small size, it includes a color display, basic triggering options, and a built-in rechargeable battery. It's also incredibly portable, making it ideal for students or hobbyists who need a scope on the go. Its simplicity and price point make it a top pick for anyone looking to get hands-on experience without breaking the bank. Next on the list is the FNIRSI 2C53T, a 3-in-1 device that serves as an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. This unit features dual channels, 50 MHz bandwidth, and a sampling rate of up to 250 megasamples per second. The biggest appeal of the 2C53T is its versatility. It allows users to measure voltages, generate square wave signals, and analyze complex waveforms all from a single compact device. This makes it a powerful tool for those who want more than just signal visualization. It's especially valuable in educational settings or for repair technicians who want to minimize the number of tools they carry. With a bright, easy-to-read screen and intuitive UI, it provides excellent value for the price and offers real growth potential as your skills improve. For users who value portability and convenience, the MINIWARE DS212 is a solid contender. This pocket-sized scope has a modest bandwidth of around 1 MHz, but compensates with ease of use and mobility. It's powered by a built-in rechargeable battery and includes a color display, navigation buttons, and a minimalist layout. While it's not intended for high-speed signal analysis, the DS212 is a perfect choice for learning waveform basics, viewing simple analog signals, or doing small circuit debugging. It's an excellent teaching tool for younger learners or hobbyists experimenting at home. The build quality is solid, and the interface is intuitive, even for those with no prior oscilloscope experience. Also worth mentioning is the ECHOUSWIN DSO152, which offers virtually the same hardware as the FNIRSI model, but under a different label. With the same 200 kHz bandwidth and compact design, this scope provides consistent performance and is often found at a slightly lower price. It's another great option for students or budget-conscious buyers looking for basic signal monitoring tools. With its durable build and responsive interface, this device handles simple testing tasks effectively, whether you're looking at waveform frequency, duty cycle, or basic signal troubleshooting. Finally, for those who need more bandwidth and resolution while still staying within budget, the YEAPOOK ADS 5012H is an impressive option. This handheld oscilloscope boasts a 100 MHz bandwidth and a 500 megasamples per second sampling rate, far exceeding what most beginners require, but still affordable. It features a 2.4-inch color display, waveform storage, USB connectivity, and intuitive controls. It's a bit more of an investment compared to the others on this list, but it offers room to grow. If you plan to work with higher frequency signals or anticipate more advanced projects in the future, the ADS 5012H is an excellent bridge between beginner gear and professional lab scopes. It's especially useful for automotive diagnostics, power electronics, and more serious prototyping.